Alright, so you got the custom field mismatch error. What this means is that we detected some fields in your Infusionsoft account called GA content, GA source, and that's what the label says, but the actual API name is GA source 10. So we're not sure if these are the correct fields or not. So what you'll want to do, instead of creating more GA fields, you'll want to take the API name and just update these fields here. So if I took GA source 10 and watch what happens if I hit update. So once we store these fields, now these are already created because they were already created. We just didn't know what the API name was, and we didn't want to assume one way or the other. So this is kind of a more advanced way of doing it. Usually you don't run into this issue unless you've created the custom fields multiple times. So what you'll want to do now is just keep going with whatever fields that you want to use. And if you did not want to use a field like GA campaign 10 and you wanted us just to create a new field, you could hit create for me and it'll actually create the new field. So that's the custom field mismatch error. It's a little bit more advanced. Hopefully you don't get this error, but if you do, all you have to do is just fill in the API name. If you hit create for me, it might create more fields for you, but that's up to you if you want to do that or not. So if you wanted to manage these fields inside Infusionsoft, you can always do that. Just log into Infusionsoft and manage your contact custom fields. But this is an easy way for you to do it through the API.